November 18th, 2021. So I got a call from an elderly lady that I worked for before. An older lady. She's got, I was over there changing an expansion tank and a relief valve for her a while ago, and she's complaining that there's still water around the boiler. It might be that the boiler's leaking, or maybe the 9D's leaking, but she's saying it could be the tankless is leaking. Could be anything, but I'm going back over there. She can't seem to find out where the water's coming from, but she's got a real old oil tank there that needs to be upgraded. I gave her a price a while back, and she wants me to do it eventually when the oil gets lower, I guess. We'll see. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Oh, yeah. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Anyway, we're going over there and how you doing? See if we can find out what's going on with this lady.
1.5 miles. Turn right.
This is what's leaking right here. It's leaking water around. Last time I was here, I changed the expansion tank and the relief valve. It's not uncommon for these things to start leaking once you use the feeder. So we're gonna just shut it off here. This has a little rubber check valve, so when I disconnect this, the water shouldn't drain out. That should be an easy fix. I got it right here in the truck, 911S. 911S is the solder. See if we can get it apart. Like I said, there's a check valve, there's a rubber check valve in here that should hold, it shouldn't leak. Water in the boiler shouldn't come out. Yep. The nut should be the same. The gasket. Put the new gaskets in there. Inlet. I just gotta put it in a certain way. It's a backflow preventer is what it is. We'll see if it works. Turn the water on and check it, see if it works. That should take care of it. I was over here before, the old one was dripping for sure. I get a little bit out of it, shouldn't get much.